Okay, I'm gonna tour my garden on Plants vs. Brainiac. Also my Brainiac school. So let's get started. I got Mr. Carrot, Churino, Tomachi, ang gagawin ko kutang. Thanks for admin cause on the admin abuse, but this one Tomachio is not actually on the admin abuse. Like plants shop, like we stock randomly because I was on a random public server. I saw this HAD randomly said Tomachio will be stuck on next stock and actually get stuck. So that's crazy. Time to go to my brainwash. So my brainwash, my best one is a like what that is 37 second, and my first one is 6K. It's actually so fun because there are 4Ks. Even my music is better than my voice, and my voice is easy. But that's all for today. Peace.